Thank you for joining. Where are you from, Mr. Richie Rich?
I'm from Nigeria, Imo State.
All right, thank you for joining. So what are your thoughts on this topic? Scam, Biafra, scam or struggle?
I'm a bit confused. I don't know why you call it a scam. And I want you to explain to me why you think Biafra is a scam.
All right.
Please.
How long have you been here, please?
I think an hour now.
All right. I believe
Okay,
you should
then
have,
you know the answer
you should
to
have
them.
heard me explain it. I explained it to Mr.
So what's the way forward if you think...
Tell us why it's a struggle then. Like, come and tell us your opinion on why it's a struggle. We say it's a scam, you say it's not a scam. So tell us why it's a struggle. Don't ask us for the way forward. We'll talk about what you think first before we go to the way forward.
Because I think we are not meant to be one Nigeria from
Why
the
do
very
you think
start.
that is? Give us your reasons.
Because how we are treated in Nigeria as Igbos, we are not treated equally.
How are you being treated?
We are not treated equally as other tribes in Igbos. In Nigeria, I mean.
How are you not being treated equally, Mr. Richie Rich? What is it in
Ma, you know what I'm saying.
You know I'm saying that other people can do.
Ma, you know I'm saying the truth.
So what
I'm
is
not
now in Nigeria?
I'm just asking you. This is why they make you guys take exams for English. You said that you're not being treated well, and I'm saying tell us how you're not being treated well. You know the truth.
Okay, in the past, in the past, let me say 20 years, an Igbo man has not been the president of Nigeria. Is that false or is that truth or lie?
Has an Hausa man been the president?
Yes, of course.
Name the Hausa president that we've had.
Yar'Adua is from where?
It's Fulani.
Oh, Jehovah.
Yar'Adua is Fulani. Which other one you want name? Yar'Adua na Fulani. Which other one you want call?
If I say Buhari, you say it's Fulani also.
It's Fulani
now.
You already know the answer. You already know the answer. You still the talk you will say. Tell us the Hausa one. Now the Hausa one we will define. Tell us the Hausa one.
But I believe Fulani and the Hausas are the same.
That is your belief. Igbo and Ijo, are they the same? Igbo and Akwa Ibom, are they the same?
Ma, I'm here to learn. I'm not here to fight with you. You're just acting as if...
No.
Nobody, I'm glad you're here.
No, she's acting as if I said I came to learn.
They talk, they amuse me. No.
We've not disrespected you. We are responding to you, right?
We are responding to you now.
She's acting as if I'm saying, no, I'm here to learn, ma. I'm not here to argue with you.
Mr. Rich.
I'm not here to argue with you at all.
No, it's fine. It's just how my face is. But we the reason why I'm asking you that question is because so that you will understand, you will know that I'm literally being serious now. If you believe in something, the way for you to prove that thing that you believe is true is for you to test it. So that's really what we are doing. We're kind of engaging this in a like how Igbos are treated in Nigeria. So that's why I was like, okay, Nyanya as an example, and you said presidency. So instead of just going into that, man, I said, okay, like as a major tribe, Igbo is a major tribe, Hausa is the major tribe, right? And Yoruba is a major tribe. Hausa people have not been president. You said no, they have been. But now you didn't know that there's a difference between Fulani and Hausa. But you assumed that. So I'm hoping that by the time I know a difference. Now the Hausa and Home as in the Hausa, just because you think that in the Hausa and the Fulani would the same. And just because you assume that everybody who's from the north who speaks Hausa is an Hausa person does not make that true. So it's just that we've been here for 4 hours saying the same thing over and over again, and it's kind of like almost repeating because all this type of ignorance and misinformation. Ya mara ihe ojina asị gị gwa okay ihe ji chọrọ ịga gị si na mmadụ bịara ya ọma mma ga aka ntị, right? Then gị sonye mara ya aka ntị gị si n'ọwa onye gị ga n'ụlọ ndị ahụ ga gbuo onye ahụ. A ga-aghọta na ị gara njem gbasara ihe mere nọ. Etisi asị na amara ya aka ntị, but not ọ dị ka ebe aka amara ya aka ntị gị ga ebe ahụ ga gbushishi ndị isi wee so ọ na-adị mma onye ekwu onye ya ọkpọ ya aha. If you feel like ndị Igbo, because you have every right to feel like disenfranchised, because you sound like a young person. Every young person not in Nigeria, I've said it before, the real marginalization in Nigeria is against poor people. If you come from a family in Ejihuego, your family just like my mom would say, they are just basically struggling to live everyday life. Life is going to be terrible for them. But Iwonyi State, you are not more marginalized than somebody who's from Kogi State. In fact, they got their states. But what that means is that because Igbo. Ndị ọzọ na-enweghị ego mana moto si bụrụ ha, ndị na-enweghị ọrụ, ndị Nigeria na-anaghị eleta ọfụma, like anaghị enye ha the things they had deserve as being members of the society. If that is the conversation we are having, then you guys say, oh, I na-eme ndị Igbo taa. But if it's na na-eme ndị Igbo, gwazie anyị otu esi na-eme ndị Igbo. Ikwele presidency, asị gị na ndị Hausa agaghị. Ikwere ka ikwete gị ka ịchọ ka anyị ga. Do you want us to go?
No, yeah. Thank you for all you said. I really like how you approach
Rich, I'm
me.
also going to commend you on your honesty of saying you came here to learn. I appreciate that. So at least you don't learn one thing. Is there any other argument you have?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you want us to continue?
I really like the
But
program,
if
and
you want to ask something else, because the reason why I want to speak to you in Igbo, even though I have the role as the mix here, is because I want you to know that I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Ignorance is not a bad thing. I don't know everything, and Kachi don't know everything. Me and Kachi are always arguing about something at some point. But you came here and you said, I really want to learn. So when like that is confusing to you about maybe Biafra agitation, because now we can have support, but then whenever or seaports or international airports,
Chioma, leave seaport, Chioma, leave seaport.
I'm owing people seaports, I beg, make I just talk now. So if you have questions in those regards, you can also ask them while you have your 2 minutes, and we can answer you and also educate in the Namaho.
Yeah, I want to ask another question. The way Nnamdi Kanu is taking the Biafra, is he doing the right thing or he's taking it the wrong way?
Oh, okay. Early. Sorry.
Yes, I came a bit late. I didn't hear anything about that.
Oh, you didn't hear it. Okay, yeah. So the IPOB agitation, I'm going to answer you in 1 minute. The IPOB agitation, as we know it, as it started from, Kano and all the other people that came, has cost Ali Igbo. Omele obutere Nkewa na Ntisa. You know what Nkewa na Ntisa is? It's destruction and division, and it also brought which is death. Do you agree or not?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. So onye merene Nkewa na Ntisa abia na family ya. Ọ dị ka ị ga na ga na nwaanyị ya abia na family unu ya ga wete Nkewa na Ntisa. Ị ga sị na ihe ahụ ihe ọma ka ihe ọjọọ. Would you say that's a good thing or a bad thing?
Oh, ihe ọjọọ.
So now, after Richie, after you leave this room, think about everything you have ever believed about this struggle. If you believe that Kano was doing the right thing, or Wazirike was doing the right thing, or Ekpa is doing the right thing, why would we, if Nigeria they do us, why is Osu like that? Why is Lilu like that? The same people you say you want to liberate, why did they have to bear the burden of the agitation? When you're thinking about it, these are the things I want you to think about. If this thing was about getting it right for Igbo because of the treatment that other people are doing it, why did we now take that treatment to Osu, to Lilu, to Idato, to Mbitolu? Why did we sit at home? Why did we do it upon ourselves? Conscience, I think should lead you closer to the truth. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate for all the whole teachings, because I'm learning so much this night from you guys.
Okay. Really all right. Okay. Thank you for coming.
Thank
all right. Bye-bye.
Rich, appreciate you.
You see, person when they race for America, now me can they teach kachi fuguya. You see,
unbelievable.
Kachi Igbo. Tell him. Which do you speak before?
Ogenekwa. Don't be my fault. Now the reading they be the problem. I don't see how I don't see how
Ogenekwa. Me say they won't understand what you mean. Say, maybe now I saw me job, Port Harcourt.
Oh my God,
man.
Ogenekwa. Now wow, make una no vex from you.
No, we know the best for you. Igbo na Igbo, man. You know, no matter any Igbo where you sabi speak up like that.
I'm trying.
You try.